up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we're going to be working with Sunber hair. I haven't worked with Sunber hair in so long. Sunber hair was one of the companies I worked with literally 5 years ago when I started doing my hair videos. So shout out to Sunber. They was with me from the beginning, the very beginning, where it all started. So I received the 24-inch piano brown body wave. Did I say 24 inch already? 13x4 frontal wig, and y'all, baby, this hair got me feeling myself. I think I'm falling in love with the water wave pattern. Like, I don't like deep curly no more. I don't like jerry curly, whatever. All these other curls, I'm not jacking. Lately, I don't know what it is, but water wave has just been hitting different. Like, it's not too tight and it's not too loose. Like, it just reminds me of loose wave in a way. But y'all, water wave baby is hitting. And I went ahead and I left the hair puffy. I just threw, you know, a little bit of water on top just to like tame it a little bit. But I still wanted to keep that puffy look because I'm feeling like Beyonce right now. Like, I'm really feeling like Beyonce right now. Like, I usually don't, but today I'm feeling like Beyonce. Nah, y'all, this hair is everything. This hair is fire, y'all. Like, I'm gonna need y'all to run. No walking. Run to get this wig. Mind you, baby, this is a glueless, okay? This is glueless. Baby, I ain't glued this down. This is glueless and it's still melted. Like, I could honestly say their lace is real thin. For this to be a glueless wig, well, I gelled it down. So technically, it's not, yeah, because that's not glue. But for this to be a glueless wig and it melted like this with just gel, y'all, their lace is so thin. Like, I'm even surprised because I don't remember that, well, back then, yeah, it wasn't no transparent HD lace like that. So, yeah, so they definitely upgraded, and it is fire. Even back then, it was fire, but now, they even more lit. But I would highly recommend Sunber hair. Like, there will always be a special place in my heart for Sunber because, baby, I ain't messing with this hair. This hair is fire. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, but alright, enough talking. Like I said, the link to the same exact wig will be down below if you're interested on how I get this look. Continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.